So he pressed for the equalizer. Kartheiser challenging Krajicek. Kartheiser is going to come away with the ball. Kartheiser cuts it back towards his right, gives it back to Johnson. Johnson charging to the end line, cross towards the far bar. It's over the head of Forsland. Forsland, oh, good move between two defenders. Forsland into the box, he goes down, and it's going to be a penalty kick for Macalester as Forsland had beaten his man, and the Wesleyan defender just, he certainly had the space. He had come away with the ball, and the contact definitely sent him to the turf. I don't think there was any embellishment, and good chance here for Macalester to equalize. Murphy-Logue with the PK. Goal for Macalester. 1-1 here against Wesleyan from the right foot of Murphy-Logue, his second goal in as many games. It's all the way to Mulaney. Punt out, looking for Kartheiser's head. It's going to bounce in front of Rasmussen. He flicks it on for Kartheiser. Kartheiser shot. Goal for Macalester! Goal for Macalester, and it was number 20, Chris Kartheiser, off of a great flick from Rasmussen. And